Hey guys, in last video we done one pattern. That pattern is half pyramid. So in this video we try to done the pattern of full pyramid. Full pyramid is quite easy. So let's try to do this pattern. So we need to observe one thing, how it forms. For example here, so in full pyramid, for example I give 5. So what it happens, first it prints four gaps, then it prints one star, then it three gaps, then it prints three stars, then two gaps, then the stars are increasing plus two, so one star, then three, then five, then seven, then nine. So the stars are increasing plus two, and the gaps are decreasing by one. So there is first four stars, yeah, there is first four gaps, then three gaps, then two gaps, then one gap, then zero. So the here two things, the gaps are decreased by one and the stars are increased by two. This is the logic here. So try to do this. Yeah, this is basic structure like public void main. And for the scanner I'm importing scanner object, then it asking for enter the number of rows. So here in this example there is 5 rows here. So if you give 5, then it prints 5 rows, then it takes the input from the user. Okay, this is a simple thing everybody knows, right? So I write one method for columns. I write one method for columns. So the column public static, it needs to return the value string. So string, and then the method name is mul. Mul means nothing but multiplication, and it takes two parameters. For example int n comma, then second parameter is string. It means sometimes we need spaces, sometimes we need star. So based on our requirement we give the string value. And so at final we need to return one string value. So for that I'm using string. For this name is final. So for not final, it is a keyword, so it is name I am taking fine. So I need to write on for loop, because if I give 5, if I give 5 and give star in the string place, it gives 5 stars. So if I give 3, then it give ash, then it gives 3 ashes. For that I need write one for loop. So here fin plus equals to yes, then it return fin. Yeah, that's simple. So for example let's try to do this. Mm, Before that I'm hiding this. Yeah, yes, this. It's okay. I'm calling the method mul, and I need to give two parameters. So I'm giving first number is 5 and second number is any string. So I'm giving star. For example I'm giving star here. Yeah, I'm giving star here. Yeah, so what will happen, it prints 5 times star. Okay, it prints 5 times star. So in that way it works. Okay, it is clear. Then I need to take the input from the user, and yeah, I'm taking the input from the user. That's clear. And I need to write one for loop for the number of rows. For I'm starting from, yeah, I'm starting from I equals to n. It means, for example, I value is 5, n value is 5, then I value is 5, then I greater than 0, then I minus main. So I'm writing in this way. It means, for example, n value is 5, then I for loop becomes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In that way it works. So okay. So I have, so yeah, I have one for loop. Then what is the logic here? Once again see. So here n value is 5. So first for example I give 5. So at that time I need 4 gaps. It means n minus 1 gaps, and there is one star. So for that, for the star counts, int um, star star int star equals to 1. It is for stars. Okay, it is for stars. The star count is 1, and gaps is n minus 1. So I try to do this mul. Okay, mul, and gaps is n minus 1. N minus 1 means 4, what we need gaps, right? So I'm giving some gap. So it prints four gaps. It prints four gaps. Then one, two, three, four. It prints four gaps. Then we need to print one star. For that, so we need to print four stars. Then we want one one star. So we need one star, right? So mul again, one star means the star count is one, right? So star, str star, comma, I want stars right now, so I'm giving star. Yeah, see, n minus 1, n minus 1 means 4, 4 gaps, then star value is 1, so it prints one star. So it then next loop it becomes 3, 3 gaps, then 2, it needs to increment 2. Okay, let's try to run it. I'm giving 5 here. So see, so every time 4 gaps, 1 star, 4 gaps, 1 star, 4 gaps, 1 star. So there is everything, the gaps is same, but we need to decrement the gaps, right? So for that, so in that place I'm taking I minus 1. So I minus 1, so I'm giving 5 here. So there is 4 stars, then 3 stars, then 2 stars, then 1 star, then 0 star. So okay, then every time we need to increment 2 stars, right? So for that I'm incrementing 2 star plus equals to 2. Okay, so in this way, first it prints 1 star, then 1 plus 2 it prints 3 stars, then 3 plus 2 it prints 5 stars. In that way it works. Okay, yeah, I'm giving 5 here. Yeah, it prints exactly same as this full payment. So I will give 10 this time. Sorry, I'm give 10 this time. Yeah, it prints a long pyramid. It prints a long pyramid. So in that way it works. Let's try to print. Actually we did this, right? And we didn't do this, right? Inverted pyramid. So for that it need to print 5, 4, 3, 2. It's very easy actually. So let's do, so I'm erasing this. So yeah, i'm erasing this I'm erasing this. Yeah. Um, what is the logic here? We need to print 5 stars, then 4 stars, then 3 stars, then 2 stars, then 1 star. So we need to write for loop in reverse manner. For int I equals to n, I greater than 0, I minus minus, then enter into the for loop. So it needs to print. So the present, for example, n value is 5, then the I value is also 5. So I need to print 5 I value, 5 stars. So mul, I need to give I value, comma, I need to print stars. That's it, and it works. I'm giving 5 here. Yeah, same as this pyramid. So yeah, I'm giving the I value is 5, so it prints 5 stars. Then I value is 4, then it prints 4 stars. Then I value is 3, it prints 3. So I want space here. So let's try to do this. I'm giving this time 7. Yeah, it gives this pyramid. It is very simple. So patterns are that much easy. So we can do any patterns in this logic. And thank you. If didn't subscribe, please subscribe my channel, and thank you very much.